To install new seat covers in our F-150 Super Cab, I was instructed to unlatch the rear driver's side seat back. That's the larger seat back in the 60/40 rear seat setup. First of all, after 6 years of driving it, I didn't know you could unlatch that back seat. The passenger side rear seat back has a pull strap so you can access the tire changing jack, but Ford provides no pull strap on the other side, so it's very hard to unlatch it. It took us multiple YouTube videos and about an hour of struggling to finally unlatch it. Some YouTubers use a long box wrench, but my longer box wrenches were not skinny enough. So I tied a pull string to a smaller box wrench, and it took her much smaller hand to reach down and hook the tiny little nub and finally pull the latch by pulling on the string. I want to show you what it looks like and how it works so you can figure out how to unlatch it yourself. To help you find it, it is 3 inches toward the driver's side door from the headrest support nearest the driver's side, and is about 7 inches below the top of the seat back. It is this little nub with a 1/4 inch square head that sits inside the other bracket, the one that holds the fixed part of the latch. It was a real struggle, but a skinny arm and a small hand can guide the tool onto the nub, and that was a big help. Once the tool snagged the nub, we pulled the string to finally unlatch it. Good luck. I never wanted to go through that again, so I attached a pull strap of my own. I got some 1.5-inch webbing, put a grommet in it, and used several loops of 16-gauge steel wire to fasten the webbing to the little nub that you have to pull to unlatch the seat back. Then I added a couple drops of oil to make the latch easier to actuate. The pull strap sits unobtrusively just above the seat back and is easy to pull. After unlatching the seat back, we realized how much space was behind it. I understand that that space is used for options we don't have, like stereo and sound equipment. However, since the storage space is a precious commodity in our four-wheel camper, we got an SUV-type 2-sided cargo mesh to hold things up and rearrange some of our gear to take advantage of the new space. We found a 15-inch by 35-inch 2-sided cargo mesh that fits nicely and was very inexpensive. Wider ones are available, but there isn't much space behind the narrow passenger side seat, so the 35-inch length fit best. This is how much stuff can fit behind the driver's side seat. I used the screw-in attachments that came with the mesh, screwing them into the hard plastic molding hidden way back behind the seats, plus the metal seat supports on the bottom where I drilled a little hole and used a tiny carabiner to attach the bottom bungee. On the passenger side, I used a cord to attach the mesh to the far side. So, in spite of our mighty struggle to unlatch that seat back, we are very pleased with the extra space and with the new latch pole that makes it more accessible. I hope this gives you enough information to unlatch that seat back on your F-150 without too much frustration, and to unlock some valuable new storage space. As always, thanks for watching and happy travels.